Hello everyone, my name is Nico Bioma. I am a natural medicine practitioner. I am here today to show you or to lecture about goiter. I know it is very important for people to know what is this called goiter. I would like to define goiter first so that you understand what is goiter. Goiter is an enlargement of the thyroid gland. Thyroid gland here is what we call thyroid. The thyroid gland, when it has been enlarged and it become visible, swelling of it become visible. It has swelled up that people can see it very well. I am not saying that everything that swell up here is goiter. Please don't misquote me. But I'm telling you, an enlargement of a thyroid gland which has swelled up, which has become more visible, that people can see it and notice that yes, this guy or this woman is having goiter. It can be single goiter, twin goiter, or multiple goiter. But let's leave that and pay attention to. If you watch from here to the end, please, you will get the real information you need. Information is power. Please, good attention so that you get the whole information. Goiter has become a problem that a lot of people today, they are being disturbed, seeing themselves having this big goiter on their necks. And in most times, they don't know what to do. Or in most times, some believe that it is only surgery that they can do for them to be saved. While some also feel that surgery might not give them the results which they needed, thereby creating much fear on them. Please, from today, after watching this video, you are going to relax your mind and understand what it means. Now, I want to tell you things that causes goiter. Because when we said a gland, an enlargement of a gland, thyroid gland, people might not understand what we're talking about. So we would like to bring it down. That is why I'm showing you that here we swelled up. From what I'm showing you here now, you will understand what I mean by goiter. Anyway, in that case, one of the primary reasons, one of the primary factors that causes goiter is what we call iodine deficiency, meaning lack of iodine. Do you know some of the salt we buy or salt we use in our homes to cook? If you watch them very well, they will write iodine salt. That is why when you want to buy salt, you must look for the one that has that iodine. Don't just go to the market and buy anyhow salt. Without good salt, it causes, one can develop a lot of problems. Some people you see that they have malnutrition, you know, some that you see that they have kwashiorkor, and the people you see that have this goiter, most times is lack of iodine. But we are paying attention to goiter today. Other ones will be other topics to be discussed next time. So, another primary causes of goiter is oral contraceptives. Yes, a lot of women, after playing with their loved ones or their husbands and fiancés and boyfriends, they think the best thing to do is to take oral contraceptives. Such medicine is not good to be taken regularly or to be taken at some point in time, we used to condemn self-medications. But even when they want to buy, they will just go there and buy. They won't know the particular one they should buy. That will change the hormone that works with the thyroid gland. In that case, the person will also develop goiter. I want to also shock you with this information. Goiter disease that one has because of deficiency of iodine is easy to be treated compared to the other one. And can also, one time you might wake up in the morning, it will disappear, you will not see it again. Based on one or two little medicines you have taken, or the kind of food you begin to eat, it will disappear. So, another factor that causes goiter is age. If you check very well, people that you see today that is very common with goiter is people that are from 50, 55 and above. Most of the time when they enter into their menopause or about to enter menopause, the thing begin to take care of yourself, eat well, eat food that have iodine, drink things that have iodine, make sure that their salt have iodine. Now, another factor is this. What we call, researchers just recently discovered this, that it is also genetic. We need to know your family history, your parents, your grandparents. Did they have history of this goiter in your family? If yes, you have to come to us. We have the remedy. We have to analyze you, and after analyzing you, we tell you foods you should eat, and with little natural medicine or herbal medicine, you are fit to go. You are 100% free to go. But if you decide not to do this, it will swell up in a way that even if you don't have pain, time will come when the pain will begin to manifest. That for you to swallow food, for you to swallow water, or for you to breathe will become very difficult. In that case, it's going to become more severe and also might become deadly at that point. Now, let me just mention some of the food you should eat, or things you should eat or drink. Just few. You must eat food or drink things that have zinc, and B vitamins. You need food that have B vitamins. You need food that have zinc. One, you're having lack of zinc, and you're also having lack of B vitamin. You need these two to make sure that your diet is balanced, your hormone will have to go back to normal, and your iodine need to be replaced. You have sufficient iodine in your body again for this thing I'm talking about here, goiter, to be disappeared without any surgery. One of those foods are, you need to use mushroom to prepare your soups. But in herbal medicine, we have some of the things that contain those mushrooms. In herbal medicine or natural medicine, we have some of our medicines that has much mushrooms on them. Even some coffees, not the conventional coffee everybody takes, that have caffeine that will not allow you to sleep. You also take cashew nuts. Cashew nut is good for such case. Eat a lot of cashew nuts. Cashew nut is very, very lovely. Even in some natural medicine books, we call cashew nut hypoglycemic fruits. But it's another topic anyway. I'm not going to talk about that today. Which is also good for a diabetes patient. We'll talk that one later. You also need to take egg. You know, they are saying eating egg is bad, doing this is bad. Yes, there is a way you eat it to become bad. But in this situation, you need eggs. You also need chicken. You also need chicken. Our normal chicken, you eat chicken. Some of the vitamins, B vitamins that you lack in your food, some of the zinc you like in your food will be getting from all these places. And you will see the miracle of God in natural medicine. You see it? The fruits and herbs are for human consumption and for treatment of sickness. So you come to us, we analyze you, find out the cause of this particular problem, and we'll give necessary attention to it. Then you become okay again. So you become okay. I want to appeal to you to share to your loved ones. Thank you.